Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to upload a question paper in Moodle Learning Management System with restricted access. We will see how to schedule the exam and restrict the access to this activity so that students can see the question paper and upload the answer script only for a certain duration of time. First, log into your Moodle Learning Management System. Select the course for which you want to upload the question paper. It will take you to the course page. Click on Turn Editing On. Come to the bottom of the first section. You can see the link Add an activity or resource. Click on that link. Select the activity assignment. Give the name for this activity as Series Test 2. Now upload the question paper. For that, click on this button. Now click on Choose File. Select the question paper from your drive and upload this file. Now the question paper has been uploaded. Now schedule the exam in the availability section. Allow submissions from 13 January 2022 9:55 AM and due date is again 13 January 2022 11:20 AM. Now to restrict the access, come down, click on Restrict Access. To add restriction, click on Add Restriction button and click on Date. Set the from date and time. So from 13 January 2022 9:55 AM and to date you can set by adding another restriction. Click on date until 13 January 2022 11:20 AM and click on Save and Return to Course. Now you can see that an activity series test 2 has been created and the access is restricted from 13 January 2022 9:55 AM to 13 January 2022 11:20 AM. Now if you want to make this activity as the first one in this section, click on this symbol and click on to the top of the section Department of Electrical Engineering. Now this activity is the first one in this section. Now to complete the process, click on Turn Editing Off. So here you can see that a new activity series test 2 has been added where we have uploaded the question paper and the access is restricted from 13 January 2022 9:55 AM to 13 January 2022 11:20 AM. Hope that this video is useful to you. Thank you very much for watching this video.